So today is just like another day. I want to be free from the technologies, so I have fun with my friends, studying in extra class and studying English online. Yeah, no more. I feel a little tired, so let's start a new topic. The topic is about where does gold come from. Let's start. In medieval times, alchemists tried to achieve the seemingly impossible. They wanted to transform lowly lead into gleaming gold. History portrays the people at exchanges, but if only they would know that their dreams were actually achievable. Indeed, today we can manufacture gold on Earth thanks to modern inventions that the medieval alchemists missed by a few centuries. But to understand how this precious metal become embedded in our planet, to start with, we have to gaze upward at the stars. Gold is extraterrestrial. Instead of arising from planet's rocky crust, it was actually cooked up in space and present on Earth because of catalytic stellar implosion called supernovae. Stars are mostly made up of hydrogen, the simplest and lightest element. The enormous gravitational pressures of so much material compresses and triggers nuclear fusion in the star core. This process releases energy from the hydrogen, making the star shine. Over many millions of years, fusion transforms hydrogen into heavier elements, helium, carbon, and oxygen, burning subsequent elements faster and faster to reach iron and nickel. However, at that point, nuclear fusion no longer releases enough energy and the pressure from the core peters out. The outer layers collapse into a center, and bouncing back from this sudden injection of energy, the star explodes, forming supernova. The extreme pressure of a collecting star is so high that subatomic protons and electrons are forced together in the core, forming neutrons. Neutrons have no repelling electric charge, so they are easily captured by the iron group elements. Multiple neutron captures enable the formation of heavier elements that a star under normal circumstances can form. From silver to gold, past lead and onto uranium, in extreme contrast to a million years transformation of hydrogen to helium. The creation of the heaviest element in a supernova takes place in only seconds. But what becomes of the gold after the explosion? The expanding supernova shockwave propels its elemental debris through interstellar medium, triggering a swirling dance of gas and dust that condense into new stars and planets. Earth's growth was likely derailed this way before being nicked into vents by geothermal activity. Billions of years later, we now extract this precious product by mining it, an expensive process that compelled by gold rarity. In fact, all of the gold that we have mined in history could be piled into just 3 Olympic-sized swimming pools. Others really represent a lot of mass because gold is about 20 times denser than water, so we can produce more of this coveted commodity. Actually, yes, using particle accelerator, we can mimic the complex nuclear reaction that creates gold in stars. But this machine can only construct gold atom by atom, so it would take almost the age of the universe to produce 1 gram across, vastly exceeding the current value of gold. So that's not a very good solution. But if we were to reach a hypothetical point where we would mine all of the Earth's buried gold, there are other places we could look. The ocean hosts an estimated 20 million tons of dissolved gold, but at extremely minuscule concentration makes recovery too costly at present. Perhaps one day we see gold rushes to tap mineral wealth of other planets of our solar system, and who knows, maybe some future supernova will occur close enough to shower us with its treasure and hopefully not eradicate all life on Earth in the process. that's all. So have a good day and edit vlog.